Hello YouTubers, here's a Black Hunter 2nd Century original, brand new in the box. The box is right here. There's the canopy. I didn't put the canopy up. I never do on these things. I'll save it for when I put this thing up somewhere permanent. So either way, fan was still newly packed. Actually, it was repacked from my friend Chris because he was gonna keep it when we did a trade, so I got this from him, and he got my raw iron. The only issue on this fan was that cap right there wasn't on, so I had to get some thread from a light kit and kind of jerry-rig it on there. It looks decent. This fan is from 1996. Let's go ahead and go to low. Runs fairly quiet. Uses the oil bath system, the same as a Hunter original. For those of you keeping count, this is the third one I've tested. This one I'm actually keeping. I've tested a white one prior to this and a brass one prior to this. Very nice aesthetic, low speed. Go ahead and go to medium. Fan's pretty well balanced. It's not perfect, but it's very close to it. Good breeze on medium. Too bright. Come on. There we go. Go ahead and go to high. Man, does that move some good air. Let's spin down. Imagine it's been done. It's gonna take forever on the fan since it's new in box. And I used oil bath, so. Ugh, still getting over this cough. It's a little annoying. I plan to keep this box, this fan, new in box until I install it somewhere. So after this video, I'm gonna repack everything, put it back in the box, and put it in my room to store it. The reverse side of these black blades is rosewood. It actually looks really nice, but I like the all black on these, so that's why I got it. Funny enough, I may have passed up some of these actually. I think about it. From a faraway distance, these look like Hunter Infinities, I think is what they're called, and I don't really care for those. So I've seen a few that look, I guess, sort of like this, just don't realize it. So I may have passed up one or two. Who knows? These are pretty uncommon to come by as it is, so it's kind of neat. I'm pretty sure there's only 5 or 6 finishes. I think the finishes these come in are white, black, brass, which are the ones I've had. Besides that, they come in verde, I believe. And they come in chrome, and I think they come in one more thing. What was it? Oh, antique brass. Antique brass. That's the one in the Fanimation Museum. They may have come in more finishes. Those are the ones I can name off the top of my head. I think I've seen. So there we go. Thanks for watching.